Welcome to TradeRep. This is Short Hammer. It is the 9th of June 2019, and we're looking at the SPY. Now, last week we opened the week we came with just bearish momentum. So we came into the week with. So on Monday we dropped as low as 273, like almost 273.09. So just coming into the week, people were thinking, "Hey man, we're just selling off. This is bad." But the last time we were down in the lower 270s, we bounced. So was there a chance that we were sort of in the October surprise that we were in 2018? People were thinking that was possible. Just the setup was potentially there. We didn't quite make that 270 whole dollar low that we did last time. We bounced a little bit higher. And from this 270 low, we bounced to 280 before retracing lower, 259. And we bounced from there, retested the 281 area, back down, back to the 280s. Then we sold off, right? And we bounced in December. So that was after we made new all-time highs. Now we are higher here. So we bounced here at 270. Here we're bouncing at 273. And we sort of broke through that potential retest of the 281 area. We went through that area. Then if you look at the last time we pull back to the 272s here. And on this bounce, we went to the 285 area, pulled back, 277, then took the leg up, gapped up. That's when we made our all-time highs here. Before, pull back, back up, pull back, and here we are on this rip. Almost a 15-point rally. Now, what am I saying? I'm not saying this rally is not going to continue, because it very well might. We have the catalyst of the agreement on a Mexican trade deal. So that came in at aftermarket on Friday. So that could actually add to this push that we're in right now. But just be careful, because we on a 15-point run, if this is a rubber band, it's stretch taunt. We can go higher, but just be careful. And just be prepared for a small pullback if we have one. May not go far. But we made a massive rally here. Hopefully we just keep going, but just keep it tight. Now, the news that came out on Friday, that's fascinating, that we all have to sort of keep our eyes on. Whether you're a technical trader or fundamental trader, you have to keep your eyes on this. No matter what data came out. So non-farm payroll, we missed. Massive miss. But now the market is baking in that the Fed is going to be forced to cut rates. Not just once, because once was baked in. They were already expecting one cut, if not near the end of this year, then the beginning of next year. They're expecting at least one rate cut. Now the market is saying there's an expectation of 2 potential rate cuts this year. So whenever you cut rates, it stimulates the economy. It's like a shot, like a turbo boost. And that may be short-lived or whatever, but it doesn't matter. If we get a rate cut, the market should jump. So we sort of have a lot of positive catalysts that are churning right now. They're talking about how President Xi sent President Trump this letter about how good their friendship is. So there's like a lot of positive catalysts that's sort of bubbling around the market. As far as Friday, no matter what happened, whether we beat on our numbers, we were going to go up. If we missed on the numbers, just based on how the market has changed, now it's bad data equals potential rate cut. Rate cut is good for the market, so bad data technically is good. So never try to assume where we're going. Just play what we're given. Follow the trend. And so that is my point. Is it a potential that we retrace back down here to the 284.20s? Possible. Could we retrace to 281s? Possible. But right now we're on this bullish trend. Just follow the trend. Watch for your support levels. Follow the trend. So it was a wonderful week in the room. A lot of people made massive profits. And what I wanted to pop in were just a few of the alerts that we banked on really hard this week. So, Chart Tech on Tuesday at 10:30 a.m., 10:34 to be exact, called Tesla June 14th, 200 call. He got in for $1.37. On Tuesday, about 1:31, that 137 call was at $4. He sold. Scale, sold 75%. That's what Chart Tech always preaches. When you hit your first target, take off 75%, let the rest ride. So as of close on Friday, or roughly around close of Friday, that same Tesla June 14th 200 call was $9 by 9:35. It went as high as $13.80. So if you held that, I mean, that's just insane profits. That's like 10 times your money. So let's check the next one that we liked. TTD, also called on Tuesday, 11:06 a.m., June 21st, 235 call, 153 is how much he paid for that. Now we fast forward to the close of the market on Friday. That call is at the moment over $1,500. That's insane. So even if you exited early, you made massive profits on that call. Let's move on to Dave Trader. Now he made a ton of calls also during the week. I'm just sort of cherry picking. So he on Thursday, 5:17 p.m. grabbed DOCU at 45.90. He thought the sell-off made no sense. Good company, numbers were good. Thought it was bogus, so he got in at 45.90. Thursday at 5:17 p.m. The next day, by 1:15, DOCU bounced at least like $4 up. So it was at $49. You could exit there. Massive profits. Elisa, last Tuesday at 6:48 a.m. She likes to call quite a few things in the pre-market and give people levels. We all trade a little bit differently. So CTRM, above 531, she has her levels here. If you're following these levels, she's telling you what to watch for. The support, the resistance levels. What do you watch for on CTRM? Now, if it manages to break 699, the other level she's putting in here, what to watch for. And then for people that rode it all the way up, when it was at 779, touching 827, she's reminding people to take profits, start scaling out, take your money. Massive profits on CTRM. Then we had GNCA. Give you the resistance levels, the support levels, what to watch for, where it can go. So you'll take these numbers, and based on your trading style, you'll find the entry that you like. And then she's saying, hey, man, we're at 1150, guys. Let's start to scale out of this. Get out. If you're still in, regardless of your trading style, this is where you want to make sure that you've already secured your profits. Then on Thursday, we had F. White, 99, who had a bunch of massive SPY wins on the week. Bought 6, 10, 290 SPY, 3 cents. Sure, he bought a crap ton of those. That's on Thursday, 11:28 a.m. Friday, 10:43, those SPYs that he's paid 3 cents for were at 35 cents a pop. So 20%, and he's riding the rest, just taking profits throughout the day, trailing and taking his profits and maybe swinging some. Next up, we have Quantum. Now, what better way to pay for a trip to Disney than by trading Disney? So he's in Disney, June 7th, 134 strike. He got these on the 31st of March. Paid 98 cents. He loved the technical setup. By Wednesday, he was out. 100% profits. Rolled him over into June 14th. Paid 135 for the 136 strike. 400% profits on his Disney if you roll with them. He took off 25% at 265, still holding some. But these are just a few of the many calls that we had this week that made massive profits for our members. If you'd like to try us out, check us out, see if you like our community, go down to our descriptions below this video, click on the TradeRep link, come on in, talk to us. We'll give you a free 3-day trial, let you trade with us for a while and see if you like our plays, like our community. Just the culture that we have is very supportive, very helpful. It doesn't matter if you're a new trader or if you've been trading for a decade. We've got something for everyone. An incredibly supportive community. TradeRep. All right, guys. Enjoy the rest of the weekend, and let's crush it next week. And another thing that I want to say is just remember, so many people in this market are focused on money, money, money. It is about money. That's what we do. But the main thing that we do, take high probability trades and manage risk. Your ability to manage risk is directly correlated to your ability to make massive profits over a long period of time. This is not a sprint. This is a marathon. Manage risk. High probability setups. Manage risk.